Welcome back to our channel again, Bahasa with Haura. And today we're gonna do some question and ask Q&A about most things that I keep getting these questions, especially for many people or foreigners that comes to Bali for the first time or come to the Indonesia for the first time. And this could be your guidelines, especially when you want to come to Bali and then you probably don't know anything about Indonesia yet because this is your first time, and which is normal. And this could be some phrases that will help you to navigate your explore journey adventure dilly-dally in Bali or in Indonesia. Okay, let's start.
How do I say thank you?
Thank you in bahasa Indonesia is pretty easy. Two word. Terima kasih. That's a little bit formal though. The shorter one or even more casual would be makasih. Makasih. Let's say I want to say thank you. Makasih. You could say that. And I know my voice is a little bit higher at the end because it makes it even more friendlier by the sound rather than you just say makasih. Makasih sounds like you know. But when he says makasih with smiling, and then it means like you are really thank you to the service that you get or to this person or to the food that you get at that moment.
How do I say you're welcome?
You're welcome is pretty easy, which is still two word, but this is like twin word, which is sama-sama. Same. Because sama means same, but in here it's like you're welcome. Sama-sama. You could usually, when you say, someone says thank you or someone says makasih, you could say sama-sama. Like, you're welcome.
How do I say help?
Help is pretty easy. One word, which is tolong. T-O-L-O-N-G. So it means help, or literally when someone's you want to ask, request something, you could say tolong, and then you can say the rest of the questions. Like tolong, one coffee. And then it means please, one coffee. Or let's say tolong, I want sugar. Tolong, aku, which is I, mau, wants, gula, sugar. Tolong, aku mau gula. Like that one. So it's either way you are asking for a help or when you are asking for a request of something, you could say tolong.
How do I say greetings in Bahasa Indonesia?
It's pretty easy. If it's morning, you could say pagi. P-A-G-I. Pagi. You could say morning when you are entering a cafe or restaurant in here. Or if it's the afternoon, siang. S-I-A-N-G. Siang. So, siang. It means afternoon. And then if it's evening in here, it's pretty short time usually. Usually it starts around 3 p.m. until 6 p.m. around sunset time. You could say sore. S-O-R-E. Sore. So, sore. And then if it's nighttime, in Indonesia, nighttime comes pretty quick because I think traditional culture in here as well since long time ago. You could say malam. And it starts from 6 p.m. onwards until midnight. You could say malam. M-A-L-A-M. That's pretty easy, right? So that's the greetings in Indonesia.
How do I say I have allergy or I don't have allergy?
It's pretty easy, but this is crucial, especially for the ones that has allergy or you need to be extra careful. You need to say it every time you go to cafe or restaurant. Let's say I have allergy. You could say aku ada alergi. Aku means I. Ada means like existing or there is. And then allergy is allergy. Or if you want to make it shorter, you could say ya, which is yes. Ya, ada alergi. And then you mention what's the allergy type that you have. Let's say it's gluten, dairy. Or you have allergy about alcohol. You could say ada alergi gluten. Or ada alergi dairy. Or ada alergi alcohol. As simple as that. Because ada means there is or something exists there, and then you mention the thing that exists, which is the allergy. But if you don't have the allergy, you could say gak ada alergi. Gak means no or don't. Ada something exists, and then allergy. Gak ada alergi. Or if you want to make it shorter, you can. You just say gak ada. As simple as that.
How do I say how are you?
It's pretty easy. How are you in bahasa Indonesia? The most common one would be apa kabar? Apa means what? Kabars mean how's your well-being today? Apa kabar? Two word and literally everyone. When I say everyone, everyone. In every cafe, at the beach, at the restaurant, at the hotel, at many driver Grab and Gojek here would ask you, apa kabar? How are you? As simple as that.
How do I say I'm good?
It's much easier. You could say, aku baik. B-A-I-K. And then aku means I or me. Aku baik. Or there is always the fun variation in this. You could say baik-baik. It means really good. I'm good, you know. Or some people even say bagus. Bagus means good, but I think not pretty much accurate to say I'm really good in this case by your well-being. So it's better to say baik. Because bagus, I think in my opinion, for many cases, it's more likely for non-human. For let's say, oh, it's a good house. Rumah bagus. It's a good cat. Kucing bagus. But not talking about your well-being. So when you talk about your well-being, you could just say baik. Or aku baik. Or baik-baik. It means like more friendlier.
How do I say I love Bali?
Oh, that's pretty easy, and it probably will. This writing would be all over t-shirt, especially in many stores in Bali, and it's 3 words. Aku cinta Bali. Aku means I, cinta means love, Bali is Bali. Or when you say I love Indonesia, aku cinta Indonesia. Literally, when you put cinta, it means you love something. And that's the phrases that gonna be used, especially when you are the first timer that comes to Bali or comes to Indonesia. And I hope it will help. It definitely will help. And you can use that on your daily conversation here and there, and it will make a better connections with the people around here and people around you. And I'm sure you're gonna love it even more because Indonesian people really friendly in general. So when they see you are trying to speak our language, Bahasa Indonesia, even just bits by bits, one or a few words, they really appreciate it and they will feel like you are really respecting our culture, which is a really good thing. And if you want to learn more Bahasa Indonesia tips and tricks, you can stay tuned in our YouTube channel, Bahasa with Haura. And if you want to learn the shorter version, you could always come to our Instagram, which is the same name, Bahasa with Haura as well. And if you want to make your progress to speak Bahasa Indonesia way more quicker, you can always book a course with me. I will put the link down below, and then we can make your progress really quick based on what's your goal. Let's say you want to say the casual conversation, we can definitely do that. You want to have like a business conversation, you're gonna close the deals, we can always make you speak bahasa Indonesia in really good way to close your deal in business. So definitely will helps you. And see you soon, and stay tuned in for the next videos.